Another prophecy of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have come to pass. No be small thing o. I tell una say this man wey dey call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is only man of God now we get now as we dey talk. This man, all the whole thing wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don talk, all of them don happen. Remember that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu warn Nigeria about Tinubu, and everything wey Nnamdi Kanu talk, it don dey happen. I go play you the video. As that one dey happen, I said that the Enugu state reviewed their plan of giving Funanis part of Enugu's land for them to ranch. No be small thing, no things dey happen. But however, let's go and find out how this thing take dey happen. Welcome back to Balabas Gist, my wonderful people. Today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel. You are highly welcome, and please I want you to share this video as you can, and make sure say they follow this page for more updates as it dey hot. They say that the message wey Mazi Nnamdi Kanu sent many years ago concerning Tinubu is clearly happening now. But most of us, the things wey dey happen for us is that because we no dey take things serious, that's why. And the thing go dey happen for our kuro eyes. Nigeria are too sleeping, and everything wey this man don talk, all of them dey happen. 1, 2, 3, 4 for our kuro eyes. But none of us fit rise in mass say leave this man, make him go. Whether na be the problem or remember the story of Pharaoh and Israelite. However, my people, let's watch this video, and before we go come back, continue.
Tinubu is the modern day Afonja in Yoruba land, and he will destroy, because for his sake the Yoruba race will be in a very serious mess unless they abandon that idiot now. I call him an idiot with every reason in the world. A fool, a certificate forging criminal. Then he went to Toronto University. A drug pusher in Chicago. Go and do your research on Tinubu. A drug pusher. A kleptomaniac extraordinaire. A thief of unimaginable. A life, a living gold. A stealing machine. All of you were there during election. Bank bullion van that used to carry money went to his house. All of us say, hey, Jagaban, let's go. A thief. He doesn't even end there. He's also a murderer. He was instrumental in the slaughter of young Nigerian youths at your so-called Lekki Togo. Have you all forgotten? Black people, have you all forgotten? The same Tinubu. And to make matters worse, I am 53 years of age. I don't have my age. What for? God created me when he did. This man before your eyes, all of you so-called Nigerians, lied about his age. He lied about his age. He took 10 years off his age. He is now older than his first daughter by 9 years. And some of you still have the presence of mind to have regard for such a person. And you wonder why you are poor as a black person. You wonder why God has virtually abandoned black Africa. You people, you love and you support evil.
Yeah, my wonderful people. Shebuna don't hear them. No be small thing. Everything when Nnamdi Kanu talk for here, no be today in talk amo. Nnamdi Kanu said this thing long time ago, and as we dey talk right now, everything dey happen. Wetin talk about Tinubu? Na lie, abi na true? This thing was true whether na 3 years ago, before the presidential election self even approach. Na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk all those things. So Nigerians, how market? Are you people still believe that this man is a true God sent or not? But however, let's jump into the next Ogbonge news. They say that the Enugu have finally given, they want to give Funanis the land, and they're making it In fact, as we dey talk now, they fit even talk say if people no do am, they go carry force enter. But however, let's watch the video before we come back and continue.
That the state government intends to embark on.
Yeah.
Do you think it will address the issue of open grazing
Yes.
in Enugu State?
Yes, it would.
In the entire
Enugu State. If we establish this ranch in Oji River, Isuzo, and Uzowani, it will address it. Because you have no reason for open grazing anymore. You understand? It's a soft landing for the law, to implement the law.
Okay.
You understand? Because if you have the ranch and government stated clearly, under no circumstance should any animal stray out of the ranches. So you have no reason again, because you are breaching the law. And the long arm of the law will deal with you.
Right.
You understand? So it would address it.
Okay.
We are convinced it would. But by the time government had reasoned with the people, and government, it's not that anything is being enforced, but people have got to understand that this is the program and the intention of the state government.
Okay.
All right?
So will the government back down if the people does not buy the idea?
Well, the fact is that this is a democratic government, and that has our governor is a wise man and he has a listening ears. Okay, why not? If the people said we reason together and the people vehemently, even after the explanation, said they don't, why would we implement it? We leave it at that. Then seek other solutions. But the time we do, because the idea was to meet with the people, the stakeholders, okay, you understand, and the people, and discuss. And government will sell and say, look at our intention, look at what we want to do, look at the benefits. We talk, they tell us, look at this. When we reason, but even the Bible says, come, let us reason together. That was with the intention. Before the opposition picked it and started singing all over the place, a different tune that was never, in the intention of the project.
For a place like, you're just saying here for the first time that the project is meant to be carried out in Uzowani, Isuzo, and
Oji River, yes.
For Nimbo, right?
Yes.
There's been a protest to that effect.
Oh,
and
yes.
Understandably so.
Yeah.
Right? So if the people of Nimbo says, maybe they're still, suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder as a result of what happened in the past years.
Yeah.
If they say, we are not ready to process this, we are not ready to allow this, is that something the governor is willing to respect?
No, already that of Uzowani is dropped.
It's dropped.
It's dropped temporarily. So the design, the government is still looking at it, and perhaps Oji River will take off. Maybe by the time they see how this thing works elsewhere, then you understand they will buy in. Yes. Okay.
So, another question before I get to Mr. Ekeno Zadima is this a public-private partnership arrangement? Because people also seem to be bothered about the fact that government is bad with managing businesses, right? And there's also this problem with continuity. The Imba administration might leave, and the incoming administration might not really be willing to continue with the whole arrangement. So is this solely a government venture, or is the government exploring partnering with private individuals or private?
My people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I beg may you let us know what you think for this video where you don't watch right now regarding this Enugu. Do you think that Enugu is making the right step on giving Fulanese a ranch at the condition of things where they for inside Nigeria? Now where say these people their own are to take, they not come to do business. They want to use cow, enter and take. But however, let us know what you think for inside comment section, and make sure you share this video for more updates as it is hot. My wonderful people, things are really happening. Mazi and they carry message to Nigerians, but they don't take come and say anything. They say na Biafra do, na Biafra, leave them. They want to buy the country. Are you going to protect what you did not create? This is the question that I have for Nigerians. Are you going to protect what you did not create? Your phone don't break, and when your phone break, you go and repair it. When you break again, you repair it. So at the point of time, you drop it and buy a new one. This is what is happening in Nigeria. Nigeria is broken, and we ourselves trying to patch it, trying to maintain it. But the people who are benefiting from Nigeria are laughing us, because the people who say phone scream, they don't care. They want you to break it more and come and buy from them. So the more that we try to patch, we hurt each other, then these people now began to carry their weapon because they give us. Understand? They will use and go they buy our neighbors, our people. They create more this thing for ourselves. My people, the best solution for this country na make everybody carry chair go in papa house go sit down, then we go come talk. Wetin you want, everybody go come for round table, then they can agree for one thing. If you think that this Nigeria na fit patch am, e go even over on one day. This Tinubu wey dey see here don come outside one day talk say make Nigeria, make everybody go in papa house go sit down. This Tinubu wey be the president today, we know wetin he see wey he talk am, but however, we still dey here dey bring you update back to back as e dey hot. May you share this video.